Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series, and let's continue design our hair salon website. Here in our previous episode we have designed the services section, so in this video let's design pricing section. Okay, let's insert two column section like this: style, background color black. Okay, and here, yeah, column gap, no gap. Okay, that's enough. Then let's insert an image to this left column, and for the size, make sure it is a portrait image. Here I want to use this image, but this is a landscape image, and when I insert other contents on this right column, this landscape image will yeah, uh, the height of this landscape image will not be enough for the height of this section, so you can uh, apply custom width and height. For example, 450 width and height about 700 pixels, and this height of this image is not fixed. It depends on the height of this right column, so apply this like this. Okay, then go to this right column, then style, background image white. Okay, and advanced padding about 50 pixel. Okay, that's enough. Then here has 4 our service packages. Okay, then let's insert another one: pricing. Okay, then let's insert price list. Okay, here insert your pricing packages, service packages. Here cutting, package 1. Here cutting, package 2. Here coloring, package 1, something like this. Okay, maybe here go to this column, style, let's insert a little border here, solid. Okay, that's it. Then next is appointment. Okay, for the appointment section, let's insert one column section. I'm padding about 150 to the top, 150 to the bottom. Okay, here has 4. Booking appointment. appointment booking form. Then search form. Okay, insert here. Okay, we do not want this form to be too wide, so let's narrow this section here. Layout wide about 750. Okay, that's enough. And go back to this form widget and hide the level. We don't need and then we do not need this message to email. A new item here, tele mobile number. Yeah, okay, then add another. Oh, here this is mobile number. Okay, this one, this is service type or service packages, and here this should be select require JS. Here you can hair cutting one, here hair coloring one, here styling, blah blah blah. Insert your all service types. Okay, yeah, the customer is or the visitor is booking an appointment form for this type of service. And here again, date of appointment. Date required and white 50%. Then a new item, time 50%. Okay, time required. Okay, then oh sorry, here then button. Okay, medium, submit button, book now, style, button background color. Okay, black. Here and go back to the content. Button, I do not want this full white button, but align centered. Okay, that's good. Then go back to style. Here buttons. Okay, here padding in, sorry. What I'm looking for here is the gap padding here. Row gap, let's increase to about 15. Okay. Fills. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. Let's see how it looks on mobile screen. The form is fine. There is no padding or margins. That's one. That's enough. And here we have lots of left and right paddings from in this column. Pricing table column. Okay. Advanced padding. Okay. Top 50. That's fine. Leave it. Left 15. Bottom 50. Oh, sorry. Right 15. Left 15. Okay. That's good. Image is also okay. And here, okay, we're done. And let's see how it looks on tablet. Yeah, it looks fine on tablet. Form also looks fine here. Okay, something here on tablet. The image, oh sorry, the alignment is can be adjusted for tablet, but the height of this image cannot be adjusted on tablet. So anyway, let's increase to about 750. Applied. Okay, that's good. Let's see how it affects on the desktop. Okay, there is not much changes, only accepting it. Height of this image is increased. Okay, it works. Update it. Okay, let's preview this. There is no much section on this home page, only 4 sections, and I think that's enough. Here, let's see how it looks. Okay, that's it. The hero section, our services, pricing, then appointment. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment below or contact me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.